Hello, my name is Gerald Grant. I am the creator of HappuccinoLife, and I wanted to talk to you about something of great importance to all of us, and that is where our country is going and where we want it to go. So we have a current administration that is disassembling everything from healthcare to freedom of speech to the judicial system. So what do we want our country to look like in the future when this administration is no longer there? Well, how do we do that? We start today by visualizing and thinking about what we want our bright, successful tomorrow to look like. What do we want our country to stand for? We can use the Constitution as a good place to begin, and then we can go from there. What will make my life better? What will make your life better? What will make your children's life better? What will make your neighbor's life better? Maybe higher education for all citizens so we can step into the 21st century. Universal health care, so health is a human right, not something you have to afford. Sounds pretty good. We live in the richest country in the world. We can do anything we set our minds to. We always have. And this opportunity is currently in our hands. So think about what makes your life better. And we're going to drive that way together. This country isn't run by one man. It is a country of citizens, and we are the citizens. And we matter, and our voices matter. So step into your power, look at the things you don't like, and look for the opposite. That's a good place to start. Have an amazing day, and we'll talk again soon.